To start practicing uploading and downloading files, you're going to need to be in Google Classroom, obviously for your computers in art class. And you have a material called Download and Upload Practice. What I would want you to learn first is how to download from Google Classroom. So you have an image here of my dog, Carlton, and I need you to download it. So when you click on it, you get a preview here, but there's no way to download it right away. We're not going to copy and paste this for a few reasons that I'll get into in a bit. In order to download, you click the three dots in a row in the corner. It says More Actions, and open in a new window. Once you open it in a new window, you now have this icon that is for download. So click Download, and that's going to let you download that full-sized image, not just like a preview. Now, most of your computers, it's going to pop up in this bar at the bottom. Your downloads automatically go into Downloads, but I need you to save it in your number drive because your downloads are going to automatically empty from time to time, and we don't know when those just get automatically deleted. So if you click this arrow by downloads, you can say Show in Folder. That's going to instantly pull it up in your downloads folder. You can see mine has a ton of stuff in it. And I would like you to move it into your number drive. So your number drive would be under this PC, and then you would choose your number drive. I don't actually have a number drive because I'm not a student. So I'm going to take my Carlton file. I can either click it and drag it over to my number drive, or I can Control X to cut it and then paste it into my pretend number drive. So let's say that this is my number drive. I'm going to paste it here, and so you'll see it's moving it from downloads to wherever I pasted it to. So I've downloaded that one file. Now I also want you to know how to download from the internet. So back on Google Classroom, you have a link to follow to a website with copyright-free images. I want you to choose a picture of an animal that you would love to have as a pet. So you downloaded my pet, and now I want you to pick one that you think would be great. So I'm going to scroll through here, and let's just say I also want a cat to go with my dog. Not super exciting, but that's okay. So on this website, you're just going to choose Download Free. Of course, we're not going to pay for it. And you see that the same thing happened in the bottom window. So once again, I'm going to Show in Folder. I'm going to Control X, or you could click and drag, and I'm going to paste it into that same folder. So for you, you're pasting into your number drive. I am pasting into a Computers and Arts folder. Control V to paste. And now I have those two images both downloaded, both Carlton and this one that's named after the actual photographer, downloaded. The reason that we download these images is because you get a better image. So this dog I have copied and pasted from the website. If you look at the image size, you will see that it's 20 inches wide by 13 inches tall. That sounds really big, sounds pretty excellent. But let's zoom in really close on his collar here. You're going to start to see some pixelation. This image is the one that I downloaded. So you can see it's got the photographer's name. If we go to image size, it is 60 inches wide by 40 inches tall. That's significantly larger. If we zoom in just as close on the collar, you'll see, is that it? That between the two, there's a lot more pixelation in the downloaded version. This matters that when you go to adjust images and change their sizes, you start to lose quality very quickly. So you want to start with the highest quality image possible. So now that you know exactly why you always download, I want to show you how to upload. So we have both of those files saved in your number drive, and you need to upload them to Google Classroom. So going back to Google Classroom here, you have an assignment, on Google Classroom. download and upload practice assignment. And in order to upload, you need to click Add a File. You're going to give me 2 files. One, you are going to find that picture of Carlton that we downloaded and put in your number drive. So remember, I just threw it in my Computers and Arts folder. It's named Carlton. Click Open. And then I'm going to add more files. The second file I asked you to download, if you recall, was the animal that you would love to have as your pet. So this was my cat picture, remember, named after the photographer. Now I'm going to choose Upload. I want you to know how to upload files to Google Classroom so that whenever you need to turn in something electronically or digitally, you can do that easily and quickly. Now that both of those are uploading, all I need to do, see I have my Carlton and my cat, choose Turn In. So I will turn in my 2 attachments to show that I know how to download files and I know how to upload files. Those are the important skills that you're going to need to use not only for this practice, but in all future projects. They'll come up over and over and over again.